Here's a Sears Roebuck ceiling fan, built by Emerson. This one is a dropped flywheel one from the late 70s with no badges. This fan does have some loud vibrations, but I know why, because of the screws and those things. I got this at Habitat for $10. And I want to put a schoolhouse globe on it, but you know how low it actually hangs. It's only right here, and my camera's at eye level right now, so it's not that, like, it's probably like if someone was like 6'2", they'd probably hit it. Because my ceilings are freaking 7 feet, but I've gotten used to that. So it's plugged in right here. It's on low. You know, people are always making up this stuff about how Habitat sucks. It's not that bad. I've had good luck there in recent years. This fan actually moves a lot of air just on low speed alone, which I can appreciate. Came with this really long pull chain. This fan is 3-speed. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that blade vibration after the video is done. And the switch housing sometimes makes noise. And the fan is wobbly. Here's high. Got the speed plus this on it for the pull chain. Yeah, this fan is pretty fast. I really wish that this was a 4-speed fan, not gonna lie. Just make sure it's set back the way I left it. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching.